My name is Joe Ciancio. I'm the Managing Director of Maxsum Consulting, based in Central Victoria.
Maxsum is a managed service and strategic consulting provider. One of the things that makes us different is that we've been headquartered and grown in regional Victoria. So we have a long history of understanding what regional clients in particular need.
So we work with our clients to understand what their businesses require, what their organisations are trying to achieve.
One of the things that we focus on a lot is our mission to enable opportunity and realise potential. We've noticed that coming out of COVID, people are finding technology even more complex than they did before. They're stuck between cloud and on-prem and everything in between, with new security requirements as well. So our aim these days is to really conquer their complexities.
Our clients come to us because they look for responsiveness and a close working relationship. We've been providing exclusively HP Aruba networking solutions for our clients for the past 10 years. We chose to work with HP Aruba because the products provide the best performance, reliability, and price point that our clients are looking for.
Jason Thomas, Managing Director of Eastcom Electrical Bendigo, specialising in mostly construction work, service maintenance and a few other government organisations throughout regional Victoria. Been operating for about 11 years now. So currently working on some projects across regional Victoria, just finished off the Ballarat Gov Hub, and then we've moved across to Bendigo to do a similar project called the Bendigo Gov Hub.
As we went into COVID and supplies just evaporated overnight. First of all, having those priority relationships with partners gave us a bit of a leg up, I suppose, to be able to source hardware as quickly as it became available, which was a real strength for us because we also have the added complexity of being regional.
So even through the Bendigo Gov Hub, we had some supply issues which Joe and Maxsum team were able to successfully change for us. That just come from global shortages in a lot of areas, and Joe was great in finding something that was equal or better, that was available, and to help bring the project up to scratch where we need it to be in a quicker time frame.
If Dicker Data weren't able to have been flexible enough to work with Aruba and help us source an alternative solution, it would have meant that our client wasn't able to move into their new construction site at the time that they required.
So being able to solve it meant that we aren't the ones that are dragging the chain. So we've looked at as the ones that have drove it hard and been able to get the product early and aren't the ones that are holding up. So builders are wrapped in us, the fact that we've got the stuff ready to go and not sitting on a boat or a plane or waiting for manufacturing, which seems to be a lot of at the moment. The next project that comes along, they're going to look at us favourably, and then in turn we're going to look at Maxsum favourably because we've delivered something the builder didn't think was achievable at times, especially with the world how it was.
The thing that makes working with HP Aruba and the team at Dicker Data has just been the relationships, the people, and just being free and comfortable to give them a call at any time.